everybody. Hank is here. I'm here. Sun's a shining, but it's windy out there today. Too windy to do any filming out there. It does have wind in Yuma. So what I want to do today, I got a bunch of thank yous. As you've seen, this is a thank you video, and I want to. First off, I'm going to tell you that I really appreciate you guys that have bought the F11. I finally got an F11 check the other day. I only get 1% of whatever you guys, I think it's 1% or something. Anyway, I got my first check in a year, and it was 53 bucks. So I took that 53 bucks and I put it with the money that I got from the Patreon channel, which I've got some guys on there I want to thank. Some of my guys, I know their names, but some of them apparently didn't want me to put their names on here. But I got to first off thank Charlie Blood. He has helped me out with so much of this stuff. It's unbelievable. You've seen the videos. He's always doing something nice for us. And he's a great guy too. Can they see their pretty face? Yeah, they can. But he's a great guy. And I hope to meet him when we get back up to the house. But I want to thank Clint on Patreon. He's been on there since I started it. And John Fisher and Jack Richardson. Them guys are all on Patreon and some others. Now Patreon channel, I got a lot of videos on there I can't put on anywhere else. I've got and then I put all these house videos or any videos that I'm making. I put them on days in advance, if not a month in advance, before I put them onto the YouTube. Because right now YouTube, they're not hardly paying anything. Matter of fact, I don't think I get a check this month at all from them. And I have no control that they're putting so many commercials on with all my videos. They're doing that to everybody, as you've noticed. If I could just say, hey, no, don't, just put one on, I would. But I have no control of that, and I apologize because I don't like it either. But so I want to thank all them guys. Without them guys, I could not have bought my security system for the house. Isn't that right, Hank? And we need the security system. So with that being said, now then I'm going to show you what we got now. I want to put Hank down so I can aim at it. There you go, Hank, buddy. You want to lay in the sun? You can lay in the sun. Well, as you can see, this right here, you don't want to be in the sun. Okay. This is I don't know how you say it. Zozai, whatever it is. This is like, I haven't opened it up. I opened it up to make sure there was something in it, and I didn't go any further than taking this off. So we're going to do this together here. This is a camera set up for. This is just a receipt saying I bought it. 2 years warranty on the thing. Now I am guessing, we'll just go for it here. This is an 8 channel, 1080 picture. I didn't want to go to 4K because the 4K they may be clearer, but it's going to take up a lot more memory because this is going to be part of the security system. This is the fourth part, I think the last part. This part here will be hooked up not only to the internet, but it will be recording in a spot in the house. And in case the power goes out, that's one of my systems. Power goes out, none of my stuff goes out. They can cut the line, it'll still be going. So let's see what's in this box. Okay, this is cameras. Cameras, looks like, oh, I got some security systems stickers. Got that, whatever that is. I'm sure that's probably lining up the, oh, it's a template for these cameras. I got 4 of these cameras. I'll show you them. I'll show you a camera, then I'll show you what's there. That's a camera. Now, you've seen all the videos. They were very important, the videos were, because I needed to know what hookups I have for the camera and such. I'll show you this close up here. Hang with me, guys. My camera girl is not cameraing today. Okay, let's see if you can see this. There we go. This is for the power. This is called a DNC. Now I forgot now, but anyway, I needed to know if I had coaxial. And you're going to see in that last video, they were showing me I do have coaxial, which is they're going to put these ends on for me down there. Then all I got to do is plug everything in. So that's what the importance of that video was. All those videos was for, to find out what wires went where. So here's the camera here. Let's zoom in on that a little better. Okay. And just like that, we're zoomed in. Okay, let me show you the camera here. We got sunlight today, but it's just too cold. There you go. Now these, you've seen Willie and Spanky both going around the house. I was hoping these were metal, but they're plastic. Oh well. And this is the part here that's going to tell you where to put your holes, I'll bet you. Like so. Stick that up, then you can drill right through it. That'll be kind of nice. These are going to go on the corner of the house. They're supposed to tilt pretty damn good, I hope. Oh yeah, they're going to tilt. You can see how that's going to tilt right there. Got it tilted. It should go all the way up to there. Oh, I see. If we want to go further, we got to twist it around. Oh yeah, it'll go. It'll go. But that's how that works. Now this is going to go on the corner, and this will come all the way up to here. Now I think I got to do a little adjusting in here, but that's okay. It will work. So we got 4 of these, and they're going to go around where you've seen Spanky and Willie filming on the outside of the house. We got 4 of them. They're all hardwired, so you can't be hacked into. And then you got your little bolts, nuts, screws, I mean, and your little adapters. You've seen all that before. And you got 60 feet of this, which mine are already run. But 3 of them are ran. So I got to run the others, and I know exactly where they're going to go. I don't know if I'll show you all that. I mean, there's some people out there, not you, some people out there that would take advantage of this to learn how to get into my house. So I'm not going to show you all the security stuff, but that's what those cameras look like, okay? This is just the unboxing and showing you what it is. If you want to put them together, you can pull up this name, and there's all kinds of really smart, intelligent people that have already installed them, and they'll show you how. Now here's the second bunch of cameras. That was 4 in that box. Now there's supposed to be 4 in this box. Oops, and I opened it upside down. There we go. Yep, there's 4 in this box. The dumb guy opened it up upside down. Now then, these are supposed to be metal. Are they going to be metal? Nope, they're not. They're plastic. That disappoints me quite greatly. Huh. I guess they'll work okay, but this is a different style. You can see that. Man, that was supposed to be in metal. It even said so. Oh well, I can return them if I need it, if they don't work. But I got 4 of these, and they're going to go in different spots also around the house. Matter of fact, there may be some of these in the house, because they're inside or outside. They don't have speakers. I don't want speakers on these because I already got that part taken care of on another security system. They don't need double speakers. It looks like everything's here. You got the little diagrams there so you can screw that onto the wall or wherever you need it. And you got this one here for the, let's see, there we go. Yeah, this, you screw them on. And you got these security stickers that you can stick all over so everybody knows you're done. And it's 4 cameras here, 4 wires. It's also, both kits have your power supply. And then in here somewhere is a power splitter right there. So this will run 4, and then there's another one in the other one. So you plug that into the wall naturally. You plug this into here, and then this into the end of the camera wires. So that's the way that works. So this is the working part. Now let's show you the brains of the operation here. Making some ice over there because that's what that rattle is. Hank's laying in his bed snoozing. Okay, I probably didn't have a lot of that in the camera there, but now you can see this part. Okay, so that's that. Disappointed about that not being metal. Maybe that was because this one was cheaper than the other set. The other set said metal. Probably was the difference in the $100 price. Yeah, you got 60 foot of BNC cable. That's what that is. You got 8 of those. You got 8 cameras, and you got a mounting bracket screws and all. But here is the, let's see which way. I want to open this one right. Oh, maybe it just opens this way. I think it does. That's me trying to figure it out. I think I'm going to back that up. Okay, here, this is the brains of the outfit. Figure out how to open it. Like that, and like that. Okay, it opens up at the top. Just hold that there. Here's the brains. If I can get it out of the box. Alrighty. What do we got in the box? We got some instructions kind of stuff. We got some other stuff in the box too, but this is your DVR. This will record everything. And not only will it record and save it to another hard drive, it'll save it to on the internet, made in China. Alright, let's look at this now. Now you can see it. You got your HDMI and then your monitor there. You got an Ethernet here, cable. You can plug that in that way. You got USB ports there, and you got a USB port on the front. These are for your BNC hookups for your camera. Go in each one of them. And this here is, what's that one say? That's probably ground or something. This is your power. I'll have to read the instructions to see what that little dude is. That might be for a different type of power. That's what I would guess. But some of this we'll definitely have to check it out. Let me show you the front. That's how pretty it is. Let's see if we can get it in the sunlight. Losing my sunlight here. There's your other port. But I'll show you how all that goes. Let's put this to the side for now, and then let's see what's in this other box. We got another box here inside of this box. Oh, let's see what we got in this one. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Here's your Ethernet, little Ethernet wire. You can run this over to, if you wanted to put this out on the air, so I can check everything from the internet down here or wherever I'm at. I can watch the house with these cameras from my phone. That's for that. You got a mouse here, little freebie mouse, and this is the power supply for that unit there. That's what we got in that box. I'm going to throw this thing in with it too. Nah, I think I'll read that later. Anyway, that's that. Once again, I couldn't have all this stuff if it wasn't for you guys. Because I truly am living, we're living on right now one Social Security check. I couldn't buy none of this stuff if it wasn't for you guys helping me out. So you don't know how well I appreciate it, and you don't, or how much I appreciate it, and it's just awesome the way you guys are helping me out here. I know a lot of you want the motorcycle videos, and as soon as I get back up there and get the house situated, you know I'm going to be back on that bike. You know I am. So that's about all I got to show you right now and tell you. When I get up there, I will be putting all this stuff in the house. This won't be the first thing I do because we ain't leaving that house for quite some time, and we won't need this until we are leaving the house, because when I'm there, only a fool would try to get into my house, because I got a badass guard dog right there. Want to see him? Yes sir, that's my badass guard dog. So you guys, thanks for following me on the channel. Definitely thanks for all the contributing. Thanks for helping me out and contributing to my channel. Thanks to Patreon. Thanks to the F11, the guys that bought the F11. And definitely thanks to Charlie Blood. He don't wait around. He don't wait around for me to get a check. He just sends me neat stuff. And I appreciate it all from you guys. So subscribe, guys, and stay tuned.